You're welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you the best 10 product categories you can easily sell with Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, you see, with Facebook and Instagram ads, basically you can sell anything online. Okay, you can package the information you have, the skills you have, like how to make cake, how to make yogurt. You package the information in video or in audio and sell it with Facebook and Instagram and make monies for yourself. Okay, but the problem with Facebook and Instagram ads is that when your product is not a hot product, a product that everybody is looking for, you will end up in spending money to run Facebook and Instagram ads, and the amount of people that will buy your product, they are few. Okay, so you will not make profit. So that is why before you run ads, you must make sure that it is an hot product. And hot product is a product that once people see, anybody that see it, most people are interested in that product. Okay, so I will be showing you the best 10 product you can sell with Facebook and Instagram ads without much stress. And also you should understand that with Facebook and Instagram ads, you are putting in money to make that ad, so you must select a very nice product that many people like. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. Opportunities Niche, I release videos on online business like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, Facebook advertisement, Facebook, Instagram ads, email marketing, and so many other things as far as online business is concerned. And all these things I'm showing you, you can do with your mobile phone. I'm concentrating more on the mobile phone, so you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release an opportunity, an online business you can make money from using your smartphone, you will be the first to get it. Before we begin, I will want you to stay to the end of this video because I have an information for you on how to get this hot product. Alright, the question is, what are the 10 best products to sell online using Facebook and Instagram ads on your mobile phone? So, the product categories. The first category of product that you can easily sell online with Facebook and Instagram ads is digital products. Okay, so digital products are courses and programs. So I'm starting from this digital product because it's one of the most easiest things you can sell online. See, this is the easiest things you can sell with Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so digital product, other courses. So assuming you can bake cake and you decide to package the information of cake, you know, the procedure 1, 2, 3, the ABC to Z of cake making, cake baking. Okay, wedding cake, birthday cake, and you write this information in form of a book, or you put it in video as a form of video tutorial, right? And you package it. You can sell it on Facebook. So look at the picture I'm showing you. Look at a person selling WhatsApp. Is WhatsApp e-commerce, just how to arrange things on your WhatsApp, business WhatsApp, and sell it. That is a course. Okay, so look at this other picture, selling affiliate product. You know, affiliate product, let me just say, affiliate product, they are also digital product. Okay, you can sell digital product under affiliate marketing. That is, you did not even create the course. Let's say about the cake making or about affiliate marketing. Person want to learn about affiliate marketing. You now pick a course on affiliate platform like Expertnia or Lenoflix, and you sold the course to him. You are selling a course also, as in you sell and you earn commission. So what we are saying is that you can decide to package a course. You can decide to sell digital product online, and it's the most easiest thing you can do. If you don't have the skill, let's say you don't have any skill to package in form of a book, video, or audio, you can sell other people's product, which is the affiliate marketing. Some people have already packaged how to bake cake and how to make how to do e-commerce, for example, how to do YouTubing, for example. So if you don't have those skills to package yourself and sell, you can go to affiliate platform like Expertnia, Lenoflix. These are Nigeria affiliate platform. Just pick a product from there, a digital product from there, and sell it. So this is a course and a program. So the person is going to learn from the video or from the audio or from the ebook, and you make your own money. So this is what you can easily do and sell with Facebook and Instagram ads. It's very simple, and this is what is trading. When you go to your Facebook, believe me, you will see a lot of sponsored advert on this, just like I've shown you in the screen. Look at this sponsored advert on your timeline. Another digital product you can sell so easily, they are tools. Tools are they are machine programs that hasten online marketers, okay, online business. So people buy these tools like tools, softwares and apps. You know what that means. Okay, let's say you want to be doing graphic design, you want to be making short videos. There's an application called Canva. You can go there. Business people, online business people use this application like Canva, I'm telling you, to make to make graphics, like YouTube thumbnails, all those things, Instagram thumbnails and so many other things. So now, how do you make money from those tools? If you don't build those tools yourself to sell, you can apply for the affiliate link on those platforms, and you see this advert, sponsored ad on your timeline on Facebook, like Elementor, as you can see from the screen. It's a tool, it's a plugin that people that build website use it in building website. So you can affiliate with these people and sell their tools or their software or their mobile apps, and you make your own money. So this is what is trading. You can sell Canva and make commissions. You can sell all the tools you can take off, okay? All the tools and softwares, they are valuable. You can affiliate with these people, run Facebook ads, and anybody that sign up with those companies, those companies will give you your own affiliate commission, and you'll be making money, because the life have gone digital. People need these tools, these apps, these softwares, okay? We use them every day. So as you can see, this is another tool that is used to convert words. It's a software that convert speech into text, or text, into speech. So these are things that people are looking for. People that are making YouTube videos, they need to convert some text into videos, some text into audio, or vice versa, okay? So you can affiliate with these people, and if you don't have those tools to sell yourself, affiliate with them, and you make a money. Run Facebook ad and you make a lot of money, okay? So let's go to the second category. The second category is a product information product, okay, package skill. So now, apart from the digital courses I told you about, which you can make affiliate to sell, the other one is information product. Information product marketing is one of the marketing that a lot of young Nigerians, in fact, the whole world, are making money from now. It is very, very fast, very, very quick. You make a lot of sales in a day. Now, we are talking about you packaging the information you have in form of a book. Let's say you know how to make hair. People want to make different stylish of hair. Put those information and sell it. Let's say you know how to bake cake. People want to learn how to bake cake. Let's say you know how to make yogurt. Let's say you are a tiler. Start packaging this information in form of a book, how to make tie. See, just tell me whatever skill you have. You can package it in form of ebook, or you give the video tutorial, or in form of audio. There are a lot of people that are ready to buy that information on how to make yogurt, on how to make cake, on how to event planning. Okay, you are an event planner. What is stopping you to put all your the events you have planned before? What is stopping you to put them together in form of book, in form of a book, in form of a video, or in form of an audio, and start telling people this is how to do it, this is how to do it? A lot of people are after that knowledge, and they will buy for you. So you can run Facebook ad after making the ebook or the video or the audio. You can run ads to sell that information, okay? From another hot product category you can make quick money from is physical product. I also call this e-commerce, okay? E-commerce, okay? So now, e-commerce or physical product, there are things that you can use, you can sell on Facebook and Instagram, things that people touch, okay? So the highest categories, I've sold some e-commerce product, and the hot ones that once you put the ad out there, people are ready to buy. The first category is the kitchen product, okay? Kitchen product. In particular, kitchen product, there are things that people buy often. People buy kitchen product. I don't just know why. I don't know why. But like last month, I run an ad on a kitchen product called the halogen fryer oven. So I run ads on that product for a woman. Okay, you can see, just tap it on Google, halogen fryer oven. You see what I'm talking about. I can't show you in this video. So people were, she just had only 10 of those items, and she was finding it difficult to sell it. So she contacted me because she saw my Facebook advert. I was selling a Facebook ad course. So she contacted me, can I help her sell this product? And I saw her product. It was a product that people don't even have in their kitchen. Most people, average people, don't even have in their kitchen. That is frying, a fryer that does not involve gas, does not involve electric, it does not involve firewood and so on. It's just an halogen, no oil, nothing. You just fry. So I run Facebook ad. It is an hot product. Within a day, I saw those product. Okay, I sold those products because it was an hot kitchen product, because it's not something that every person can get. Okay, it's not something that everybody can get on mere shops. Okay, so you can sell a lot of kitchen product. You know, there are a lot of new products. Just go to Jumia, just go to Gigi, search for latest kitchen product. You see latest knives, you see latest cutter, latest fryers. So these are hot products that once people see them, they are not items, they are latest, you know, they are not common. People will rush to buy them. Okay, so another hot category of a physical product you can sell is electronics and gadgets. Or more, electronics and gadgets, this is the highest binder, I'm telling you. See, you see a lot of innovation in electronics today. Everybody wants to be updated, upgraded. You know, everybody wants to upgrade. So electronics, these are, you see, like I sold an electronic product. So like 14 pieces of hair cordless clipper, cordless hair clipper. As I bought this product, I sourced for it locally. Online. Then I bought it. I sold 15 of them. I just wanted to try it out because I saw it on Alibaba, so I wanted to buy it locally from Nigeria. So I just said, okay, let me just buy additional ones so that the person will reduce prices for me. He reduced prices for me. I bought them and sold them online because latest grinders. You can see these grinders. You can just go to Facebook or Google, just electric pounders or grinder that can grind yam. So okay, they can pound yam. Let me just use that word as Niger person. Okay, these are gadgets. There are a lot of it. These are hot products. Anybody that see it will like to buy. These are products you can sell with Facebook and Instagram at easily. No stress, I'm telling you. So, and the third category on this physical product, which is the number 6 item in the 10 item as I will show you as hot product you can easily sell with Facebook and Instagram ad, is health product. Okay, see, a lot of people have health challenges. Many people want to maintain their health, okay, these days. Okay, so now you can find out what product, like you see this male enlargement stuff, women enlargement stuff, you know, all those things, health product, ulcers, you know, these are things that people are looking for solutions. You know, if you don't have these things yourself, I've already told you, source for it. You can always source for it from people that have it. You source for it. It's an e-commerce. E-commerce means that you are buying at another place. Okay, this is not your product. You are buying, like I said, I bought the cordless clipper. So the cordless clipper, you buy it, you source from it, like from Lagos in Nigeria. I'm talking about Nigeria. From Alibaba, that is outside. But before you do mini importation, so e-commerce is also mini importation is part of e-commerce. If you are doing mini importation, you are taking it from outside. But as a beginner, don't buy anything from outside. You buy it from within, locally, sell it and see the profit. Then before you know, if you can buy more at cheaper rate from outside. Okay, so now you can buy it, you know, Lagos market, Onitsha market, all those areas, there are things that are very cheap in that area. You can just buy in bulk and the person will reduce for you. This kitchen product, this electronics product, they are cheap in Lagos market, in Onitsha market. Okay, so you can buy this. A health product, there are people that have these things. You can source for it. When you source for it, you sell at higher price using Facebook and Instagram ad. That is e-commerce. So this health product, if you are running ads, you have to be careful. Learn my ad system. I've released a video on complete Facebook advertisement, you know, so I've taught everything there, what you need to do if you are selling health products, so Facebook will not disable your account. Okay, because they are very strict with health products. Okay, so these are These are three physical product categories that are easily sellable. Let me use that word. You can easily sell them with Facebook and Instagram and without stress. Okay, so let's go to the next. So the next thing is product is personal or any other hot product. So I've shown you three here, which is kitchen product, electronic product, hair product, which is three. I've shown you three here, which ebooks, video and audio, which is information product, making six. And I'll show you this courses, program, health. Okay, digital product, which is a courses, program, tools, apps and software. So making nine. The last one, which is the number 10 I'm going, is any other hot product. Okay, whether it's digital or whether it's physical product. So what you do here, when I say hot product, it means a product that people is not common. It means that product that people cannot get it easily. It means that a product that is actually, whether it's not new, it must not be new, but let it be something that once people see it, they are likely to buy. Like the cordless clipper I told you, like the halogen flyer I told you. Many people don't know it, so once they see it, they will not let it get away, so they will like to buy. So like a lot of people want to learn about affiliate marketing. So just find something that is hot, something that is trading, something people want to start earning online. So if you know about cryptocurrency, start selling courses on how to do cryptocurrency. A lot of people are interested in crypto. A lot of people are interested in e-commerce. So online business, create courses or any hot product, local product. Is it what is it called? Oil, perfume, anything that that people cannot get easily, that is special, that is a hot product. So you can make a video on it, start selling it on Instagram, run Facebook and Instagram ads, and these are things that people are likely to buy. So I've shown you three here, which is kitchen product, electronic product, hair product, which is three. I've shown you three here, which ebooks, video and audio, which is information product, making six. And I'll show you this courses, program, health. Okay, digital product, which is a courses, program, tools, apps and software. So making nine. The last one, which is the number 10 I'm going, is any other hot product. Okay, whether it's digital or whether it's physical product. So what you do here, when I say hot product, it means a product that people is not common. It means that product that people cannot get it easily. It means that a product that is actually, whether it's not new, it must not be new, but let it be something that once people see it, they are likely to buy. Like the cordless clipper I told you, like the halogen flyer I told you. Many people don't know it, so once they see it, they will not let it get away, so they will like to buy. So like a lot of people want to learn about affiliate marketing. So just find something that is hot, something that is trading, something people want to start earning online. So if you know about cryptocurrency, start selling courses on how to do cryptocurrency. A lot of people are interested in crypto. A lot of people are interested in e-commerce. So online business, create courses or any hot product, local product. Is it what is it called? Oil, perfume, anything that that people cannot get easily, that is special, that is a hot product. So you can make a video on it, start selling it on Instagram, run Facebook and Instagram ads, and these are things that people are likely to buy. So I told you that I'm going to tell you, if you stay to the end, I'm going to tell you how to get this product. So basically, in my next video, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, because in my next video, that will be in my next video. Okay, I will be telling you how to run affiliate marketing, how to get product, how to source for product, how to sell them. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification, so that when I release the next video, you will be the first to watch it. Thank you and God bless you.